Hi, my name is Jason Santos, Senior Technical Engineer here at Rawal Devices. Thanks for checking out another one of our videos. We will continue to share valuable insight to help you excel in keeping your equipment and your customers' facilities running smoothly. Today, we're diving into how neglected maintenance can lead to failed compressors and how the APR control can help. Routine maintenance is a crucial aspect of HVAC that is often overlooked. It is important to take proactive equipment care to avoid mechanical failures such as failed compressors. As HVAC professionals, we understand the importance of routine maintenance. Yet we also know that it doesn't always happen as frequently as it should, leading to late-night service calls from frantic clients. For facilities managers and building owners, we also acknowledge the challenges of your job and understand that smaller budget items like routine maintenance can often be overlooked. My experience tells me that far too often, that if you don't take time to plan your equipment maintenance, your equipment will plan it for you, usually at the worst time possible. The most expensive and time-consuming issue in any HVAC system that can arise due to neglected maintenance is compressor failure. Compressor failure is often linked to bad airflow, a result of bad belts, dirty filters, and plug coils, all a result of neglected maintenance. Having low airflow across the evaporator coil can lead to frozen coils and eventually liquid floodback. If left unchecked, the compressor will burn out and must be replaced. Replacing a failed compressor is no easy task. It's a time-consuming and expensive process. You could be facing extended equipment downtime. There could be long lead times for the replacement compressor. There's also a lengthy cleanup procedure depending on how bad the compressor was burnt out. This includes multiple filter dryer replacements and system evacuations. Then you also have to account for a full day's worth of labor to swap the old compressor with the new one. Even then, you still can't be sure that the system is 100% clean. Not only is it time-consuming to replace, but a dead compressor is the most expensive repair on any piece of HVAC equipment. You could be looking at repair costs of $5,000 to $10,000, even on the small units, or be looking at an entire equipment replacement. But here's our solution, the APR Control. With the APR Control, you can be proactive and ensure compressor protection. The APR Control will modulate the capacity of the system at the evaporator to prevent floodback and icing due to reduced airflow. Any building with a less than ideal maintenance schedule will have the same conditions as having a low load in the evaporator coil. The APR Control's continuous capacity modulating ability can stop costly compressor failures due to any low airflow scenario. Imagine the benefits: fewer breakdowns, lower maintenance cost, better humidity control, smoother discharge air temperature, and most importantly, happy customers. For facilities managers and building owners, it means reduced downtime, fewer unbudgeted expenses, and increased productivity. In the world of HVAC, preventing problems rather than just fixing them leads to happy customers and can ensure long-time service customers. With the APR Control, you have the power to make that happen. Contact us or check out our other videos to learn more about the many benefits of the APR Control. Join the ranks of the top-notch HVAC professionals who prioritize proactive compressor care.